Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat step by step 2025. Whether you need to install system fonts so Acrobat can use them, embed fonts into a PDF for reliable sharing, or fix missing font issues. I'll cover Windows and macOS basics, explain the difference between installing versus embedding fonts, and provide clear step-by-step instructions so your PDFs display correctly on any device. First, open your document in Adobe Acrobat and select Edit PDF from the left side of the screen. Select the text you want to change, and you'll see the font family section on the left side. If the font you want to use isn't available, you'll need to install it manually. To install a font, open any browser and search for DaFont. Hit Enter and click on the first link to open the DaFont website. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search box on the right side of the screen. Type in the name of the font you need and press Enter. When the font appears, click Download next to it. This will download a zip file to your computer. Go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and select Extract here. Once extracted, locate the font file. Double-click the font file and click Install. After installation, close Adobe Acrobat and reopen it. Open your document again, go to Edit PDF and select your text. This time when you check the font family list, you'll see the new font added. Select it and the new font will be applied to your text. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.